washing machine and a dryer. And that's the kitchen. They have a mini fridge. And I have some juice left in there. So a cool microwave. A nice area. A sink, coffee maker, and also have like some cooking stuff and for tea. Plates, coffee stuff and cups. They also have like laundry detergent and drying sheets there. So from the wash and dry, they have like a table that you can eat. So it's the table right here. It's a chair that you can just sit on. Then they have like a sofa. You can sleep on that. And then they also sleep 3 people. So you got a bed, a sleeper sofa, and something else. So yeah, that's the bed. Then you have a TV right here. When you come over here, there's another side table, and then there's one right here. And here's the closet, an ironing board, iron, and a fan, and extra blankets in case you need it. Then this is the bathroom. I'm sorry, I just moved it, so it's kind of dirty. But yeah, this had like towels and toilet papers, and this is the sink area, and they have like body wash, soap, conditioner, and stuff like that. Pretty good. And this is the shower. It's pretty nice. I like it. So yeah. So that's the bathroom, guys. And you can also turn on the light over the toilet in case you don't need it. So yeah, let me just give you a quick overview